I was confident that this course is good, but actually, when I went to this journey of 6 months, it was totally a different feeling, totally a different experience, because Nalina ma'am was so good as a facilitator. She was amazing. I really loved her, and I really miss her. And being a teacher, then also I learned so much, and now I can apply so many things in my class, and it has shown me a different window now. I'm a different person. I can feel now. I'm so confident. My communication skill has improved. So I was saying my husband also noticed a change in me. He was saying now you are totally a different person. You sound different. So I told her this is all because I have done this ITTC program course, and because of the what we have learned in this program, and you can see the results. So I'm very, very happy. It's a beautiful journey for me, ma'am. And it will be staying for me for a long, long time. Forever, I
Excellent.
think.
So first of all, I would like to thank Nalina ma'am and you both of you actually. Thanks for all the extra efforts, ma'am, you have made. You are just a call away. You were never like a teacher for us. So you made us feel comfortable. It was like I initially, like I said, it was just for a certificate. I wanted to do it. But after joining the course, after each and every module, I have learned, I gained a lot of knowledge. It is like, personally, if I get into this profession also, definitely this is going to help. Personally also, it has helped me a lot. The way I used to respond to my daughter, it was depending on my mood, but now it's like it is totally different. I know why this happens, how I should be, how I should react. So it's been very helpful, and I'm like very grateful to you, ma'am. I have actually acquired a lot of knowledge because of you. You have been a great support system. Personally also, like for our personal things also, we can share it with you. I know there is high level of confidentiality in you, and actually the way you actually tell us, you encourage us, that really motivates a lot. It is not just about the course and certificate. We have actually gained a lot of knowledge. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for everything.
Thanks. Thank you.
I would say it is one of the best decisions that I've taken so far. Thanks to PFLA and thanks to you, sir, for providing all the required things for the smooth functioning of the classes.
I am joining from last year, so that time I'm not comfortable. And before that also, I choose some training here, but I think which one is suitable, I can learn more. But when I join here, I attend your class, that I know that it's correct training for me. That's learning so much from you, ma'am. It's right place for me. When I come connect with you, it's right place for me to learn so much. So training is not just training, ma'am. It's to how to apply with children, with ourselves. And now I am always applying with my son also. Before that, I am getting irritated. Some longer time I can't teach, but I am getting relaxed and teach him very well in polite way. When I am telling story also in that way, how to tell us. That's I learned so much from you, ma'am.
2 years before I called you, but I couldn't join of some problem. And before 6 months when I called you, you asked me to come to your place, and you spoke the way really inspired me more. Two more these things also my friend suggested, but I really wanted to join to this ITTC batch. This thing only I said, and the way sir and you made me so comfort. Whenever I'm not available, you will just call me like mom and ask me why not attending. All the other friends also, they used to call, just like it's really, I'm feeling very blessed to be a part of this ITTC.